After that, we are going to start some basic concepts of the thermodynamics. Okay. See, some of the concepts which are very important in thermodynamics that are called as some basic concepts. That's some basic concepts we are going to study in that of this part, or the next point of the topic, some basic concepts of the thermodynamics. First important concept, that is about the system. Okay. Then second important concept, that is about the surrounding. Third important concept, it is about the boundary, and fourth important concept, it is about the universe. That first four concepts which are interlinked with each other. See, first it is about that of the system, second it is about that of the surrounding, third it is about the boundary, and fourth it is about the universe. See, in that first, what is the meaning of the system? See, the part of universe which is choose for study of thermodynamic properties. What we said, the part of universe which is choose for the study of thermodynamic properties, it is called as a system. What we call system. See what we said, the part of universe which is choose for the study of thermodynamic properties is called as a system. What we said here, the part of the universe which is choose for the study of the thermodynamic properties is called as a system. Simply see the one example. Consider this is a cricket ground. You know about this is the boundary. Inside there is a pitch, batsman, bowler, all that things you very well know. So this cricket stadium or cricket ground, this is the boundary. Okay. Inside the boundary, that part is called as a system. Inside the boundary, this part is called as a system. Okay. After that, outside of the boundary, there is a stadium. This is all part. Okay. It is nothing but that of the surrounding. Okay. And that system plus surrounding, it is nothing but the universe. Universe, it is nothing but the system plus surrounding. System as well as surrounding, these part are called as a universe. Then first system means the part of universe which is chosen for the study of the thermodynamic properties is called as a system. Then what is the meaning of the surrounding? The part of universe which is we can simply call it as the part of universe except the system is called as a surrounding. What we call the part of universe except the system. The part of the universe except the system is called as a surrounding. Okay. Then what is the meaning of the boundary? We call here system, here surrounding. That system plus surrounding, it is nothing but the universe. Then what is the meaning of the boundary? Boundary, it is nothing but it is a real or imaginary surface. Real or imaginary surface which separate the system and surrounding. what we call the real or imaginary. See this part, that part, or this is called as a boundary. Okay, that boundary, it is a real or imaginary part, or real or imaginary surface which separate the system and surrounding. This part separate the system and surrounding, that is called as a boundary. Okay, there are these four terms. First, it is about the system. System means the part of universe which is chosen for the study of the thermodynamic properties is called as a system. Second part, surrounding. Surrounding, it is nothing but the part of universe except the system. System ला सोडूनचा जो काय राहिलेला युनिवर्सचा पार्ट असेल तो पार्ट म्हणजे कोण? सराउंडिंग. त्याच्यानंतर बाउंड्री. बाउंड्री मीन्स द रियल और इमॅजिनरी सरफेस. रियल और इमॅजिनरी सरफेस is called as a boundary. And fourth, it is about the universe. Universe means system and surrounding, and both are called as a universe. Okay, simply take another one example for this understanding these terms. Consider this is a water bottle. That bottle is filled with water. Okay, then we are going to supply the heat to that bottle. We are going to supply the heat to that bottle. Then inside this bottle, that water is present. That water will be boiled, or that must be energy changes will be takes place inside the water. So this, consider this is a water bottle. Okay, inside this water is filled. So this water becomes our system. Okay, outside of this bottle there are the surrounding is present. So this is surrounding, and see here, this part or this bottle, this can be separate the system and surrounding, so that it is nothing but the boundary. System, inside this bottle water present, that is the system. Outside of this bottle there is a surrounding present, or there is an atmosphere present, it is the surrounding. And the part or the surface which separate the system and surrounding, it is called as a boundary. What we call the part which separate the system and surrounding, it is called as a boundary. That boundary is real or imaginary. Now what is the real and what is the imaginary? See here, this is a real boundary because we can see this boundary. So this is a real boundary. Okay, then imaginary boundary. Imaginary boundary means, suppose you have to take on, there is one part like this, or one system. Okay, in that system you are going to study only this part, or you have to take on, there is one suppose balloon, or in that of the balloon you are going to study only this part. Okay, inside this is a real or imaginary? It is an imaginary. Or simply you can say this, suppose you are going to study, there is a different parts, like you are sitting into that of the one, for the study you are sitting into that of the your home or in your room. Then that room's walls are the boundaries, you are the system, you are doing the study. That environment present at the outside of you, this is the surrounding. Okay, so that real or imaginary part of the boundaries. Boundaries चे हे real आणि imaginary असे parts असतील. आता imaginary मध्ये कसं की त्याला असं कोणताही सरफेस असणार नाहीये, म्हणजे पर्टिक्युलर असं तुम्ही सांगू शकत नाही की हा याच्यापासून सेपरेट झालाय. लक्षात आलं का? तर त्याला तुम्ही काय म्हणायचं? रियल अँड इमॅजिनरी. as well as remember, these boundaries are must be there is a rigid. Rigid म्हणजे काय की like this bottle, this boundary it is the rigid boundary. Okay, so these boundaries are the rigid. Okay, in some cases like balloon you have to take on. Okay, In that, boundaries are must be there is a not rigid. Okay, boundaries are the rigid or not rigid. Some cases boundaries are in rigid form. In some cases boundaries are not in a rigid form. Okay, that balloon you have to take. ओके, आता जस्ट तुम्ही जर एक एक्झाम्पल घेतलं, काय एक्झाम्पल घेतलं आपण की बॉटल. तुम्ही बॉटलला जर मेटल बॉटल असेल तर त्याला तुम्ही प्रेस करू शकत नाही किंवा त्याचा शेप तुम्ही चेंज करू शकत नाही. तर ती कोणती बाउंड्री, तो कोणत्या बाउंड्रीचा पार्ट झाला, रिजिड पार्ट. आणि नॉट रिजिड, नॉट रिजिड म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय सांगायचं आहे की असा पार्ट लाईक बलून यू टू टेकन. बलून घेतला तर बलूनला तुम्ही प्रेस केला तर त्याचा शेप चेंज होऊ शकतो. So these are the not rigid. So boundaries are must be rigid or not rigid. Understand? There are these four parts. What are the four parts? One is the system, second is the surrounding, third it is about the boundary, and fourth it is about the universe. Okay? See, if you want to take the notes or short notes of this, you take it. Okay? That four terms are completed. First it is system.